Hi, I'm Patrick Page, the broker owner of Circle Property Management in Fairfax, Virginia. Today, I wanted to talk about the importance of having the proper insurance for your property and yourself. Circle, we recommend that all of our landlords carry not only their homeowner's insurance with its own liability portion, but also an umbrella plan that has liability insurance running up to at least $1 million. Now, some folks think that that's a very expensive policy to carry and they don't think they need it, but quite honestly, it's one of those evil necessities, and if you don't have it and you need it, now you're going to be upset with yourself. So that policy costs roughly $350 a year, and guess what? You can write that off on your taxes because it's a business expense. It's covering your rental property. Personally, I have a bigger policy than that. I have, I think, $3 million. Now, why so much? Well, let's put it this way. When something happens to somebody in your property, whether it's a friend of the tenant or it's the tenant themselves, they're going to sue everybody. They're going to sue you as the landlord, and they may sue the tenant if it's a friend of the tenant that gets injured, and they're going to want a lot of money. Let's just suppose your tenant has a dog that you've approved, and the dog bites one of their friends, or it could be a neighbor, doesn't matter. In that bite on their hand, they have nerve damage, which causes them to no longer be able to use their hand. Now, you're going to get sued for the bite and for the pain and suffering and for lost wages. So that lawsuit will look like something around $1 million. If you only have your normal homeowner's insurance policy that has liability of $300,000 and the tenant has about $100,000 in liability, that's $400,000. You may have medical coverage of $25,000 on your house. Maybe the tenant has $5,000, so that's another $30,000 worth of insurance. So there's $430,000 worth of insurance to cover a claim or a lawsuit of $1 million. What that means is that you're going to be liable for that difference of $570,000. I don't know about you, but I don't have that kind of money. That's why I buy insurance. I don't like paying them, but it's an evil necessity. And when I do need it, I'm happy to have it. I hope that helps you.